Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you specifically how to wrap your hair in a towel. And this will be a tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. Okay, so you want to wrap your hair in a towel just like this. This is the video for you. Now, if you have watched my videos, you'll know that I have a little bit of a secret under here. If you haven't watched my videos before, then surprise, surprise, I actually don't even have any hair. I am bald, okay? But I'm going to show you how to wrap your hair in a towel anyways. That's right, a bald person is going to show you how to do this, and I'm going to show you how to do it well. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to do it. So it's really, really easy, okay? First, you want to get a towel that's big enough. For the most part, you know, a regular like bath towel, shower towel, whatever you want to call it, sort of like an extra large towel is more than good enough, okay? So what you're going to want to do is hold that towel so that it is wide, okay? Hold it so that it is in your hands wide ways, okay? Once you're holding it wide, you're going to want to fold a couple of inches over to form a lip. So as you can see right here, I folded a couple of inches over. That's like maybe like, I don't know, 5 inches. I don't know. Doesn't really matter, but just fold a few inches over, like 4, 5, 6, 7 inches, whatever. Just make a lip with the towel like that, okay? Then what you're going to want to do is take your wet hair, even if it's dry, but you're going to take your hair and you're going to sort of hunch over so that your hair is drooping towards the ground. Once you're hunched over and your hair is drooping towards the ground, you're going to want to take this towel and wrap it around the back of your head with the lip facing out. So check this out. I right now have the lip facing out, away from me. I'm going to turn to the side over here, okay? I'm going to droop my imaginary hair to the ground, okay? I'm going to take the towel, I'm going to put it around the back of my head with the lip facing out. Okay, as you can see right here, the lip is facing out. It's around the back of my head. You're going to want to hold it decently, with a decent amount of pressure. And then what you're going to want to do is your hair is going to be all on the inside of this towel now. So you want to take the towel and sort of fold it into itself so your hair is caught in there. So right now, your hair would be caught in the towel. Then you're going to want to take the end of the towel and start twisting it. Okay, just like that. It's all good. It's all good. You're going to want to start twisting it. Okay? So twist the end of the towel just like that. You're not going to want to twist it too tightly, but you're going to want a decent amount of pressure to where the towel is going to like be staying on your head. At that point, once you've twisted the towel, you're going to take the twisted towel, take the end of it, bring it back up and over your head, and you see the lip that you created back here? Just make sure you can see it. The lip that you created back here, you're going to tuck the end of the towel into that lip, and it's going to hold it in place. And you have wrapped your hair in a towel just like that. It is that easy. It is that simple. And look, I can dance, okay? It's not going anywhere. And if I had hair on my head, attached to my head, the towel would just be like nicely in place. So that's it. With regards to how to wrap your hair in a towel and this specific tutorial, I've shown you exactly how to do it, and hopefully you enjoyed it. And that's literally it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.